If you've decided to start a corporation or LLC, limited liability company for your company, you've probably come across the term registered agent. When you register your business with your state, you need a registered agent. Here's what you need to know about what a registered agent for an LLC is, whether you really need one, and where you can find one. What is a registered agent? A registered agent is a person or company that is designated to receive legal correspondence on behalf of the company, such as an LLC, and relay important messages to the owner in a timely manner. This includes government, tax, and legal correspondence. 5 reasons you might need to use a registered agent service. If you're debating whether to act as your own registered agent or use a third-party service, here are some important considerations. 1. Official mail duties. It can be a burden to sift through junk mail and urgent documentation you need for your company, and many people choose to outsource this task to a service they can trust to handle official correspondence. When you hire a registered agent service, you ensure that all essential documentation gets handled and relayed to you on time. 2. You want to keep your personal address private. When you list yourself as a registered agent for your business, you risk exposing your personal information to public records, especially if you work from a home office. Hiring a registered agent allows you to maintain a barrier of privacy. 3. You want to keep legal matters confidential. In some states, legal notices are delivered in person by a law enforcement officer or process server. If your business is involved in a legal action and you're the registered agent, you may be served with legal documents in front of customers and employees. This can be embarrassing and cause unwanted gossip and speculation. A registered agent service ensures you'll never be placed in this position. 4. You aren't in the office during normal business hours. A registered agent is required to be present at the listed address during normal business hours. If you work non-traditional hours, don't live or work in a fixed location, are out of the office frequently, have an unpredictable schedule, or aren't sure you'll always be present in your own location during the work week, a registered agent service can be the solution you're looking for. This way, you'll ensure all important documentation about your company gets relayed to you in a timely manner. 5. You want to expand your business to other states. You or any other individual person can only act as registered agent for your business in the state where you live. If you want to expand your company to another state, you'll need a registered agent that lives in that state or is authorized to do business there. A registered agent service can be a good solution. Registered agent legal requirements. There are a few legal requirements for a registered agent. Physical address. The agent needs to be located in the same state as your business. They are required to list a physical address, not a P.O. box, and be physically present at this location during standard business hours. Who can be a registered agent? You can list yourself, an employee, your lawyer, or a trusted friend or relative as your registered agent, but this could pose issues if the person listed is out of town or not able to receive mail. A professional registered agent service can help solve this problem. Ultimately, there are pros and cons to these options. State-specific laws. Many states have specific laws regarding registered agents. Be sure to check with your state legislature to ensure you are following important guidelines. Do you need a registered agent for an LLC? When you form a limited liability company, LLC, or corporation, you're required to list a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity you have appointed to handle necessary government, tax, and legal correspondence about your business. The main purpose of a registered agent is to ensure your business receives essential and time-sensitive information. If your business is sued or subpoenaed, the opposing party will send notices to the registered agent listed in your business's public records with the state. A reliable registered agent will let you know right away when documents arrive, giving you as much time as possible to respond. Without a registered agent, important correspondence can be lost in the shuffle of your other business mail, causing you to miss deadlines and suffer legal and financial consequences. Should I be my own registered agent? You can list yourself as a registered agent for your business, but this can pose some issues if you do not work from one physical location or are not present at the physical location you list during normal business hours. Hiring a registered agent. You can hire a registered agent service for an annual fee. This can solve many of the problems that listing yourself as your registered agent could pose. Hiring a professional registered agent from a service will give you the assurance that someone will always be available to receive important legal mail and relay it to you in a timely manner. Many registered agent services operate in all 50 states. If your company is registered to do business in multiple states, you can hire one company to handle all your registered agent needs. The best way to start an LLC through a registered agent is Northwest Registered Agent. You can easily start an LLC through their service within 1 minute. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.